Turkmen carpet, a national relic of the people who have created this masterpiece, is surrounded by mystery. How was it possible to save the first version of pottery, invariants of the labor tool throughout thousands of years? How could the skill of carpet maker be passed over from generation to generation without exposure to the other nation's influence? Only 100 years later would the Central Asian know Tamerlan. Only 200 years later would the America be discovered by Columbus. But the Italian traveler Marco Polo, having visited our land, wrote about Turkmen carpets as early as in 13th century. The finest and most beautiful carpets in the world are being made there. The oldest Turkmen carpet was found in Kurgan, near Telets Lake in Altai Mountains, in the 5th century BC, and on the scientist's opinion, it was woven in those times. A Turkmen carpet of 2,400 years old is kept in the State Hermitage in St. Petersburg. Images of Turkmen carpet we can see in paintings of the great artists of the Renaissance. Madonna Lipa Memi, 1850, Berlin Gallery. Engagement of Mary by Nicholas van Koros, 1380, London, the National Gallery. In ancient Rome, Turkmen carpets were considered as luxury items. The ways of their penetration to places so remote from their native land are unknown. One of the versions is that they were given to guests in token of peace and friendship. For a long period, the Turkmen carpet was mistakenly called Bokharan carpet. It can be explained by the fact that the goods from all the Central Asian countries were brought to Bokhara for sale, and from Bokhara they were taken to different countries. Nowadays, some of the visitors, after seeing our carpets in the museum, confess with surprise that they thought them to be Bokharan before. A carpet maker makes up to 3,000 knots per 1 square meter. A carpet grows for 3 centimeters per day, and one can easily agree with the proverb, to make a carpet is the same as to dig a well with a needle. As a result, we get a masterpiece of incredible beauty and durability, of colors that do not fade as many years pass, and of such perfection that it seems to be a creation of the nature, not a man. There is a tree growing in the center of Ashgabat. It is 300 years old and has seen a lot during its life. But it is quite young in comparison with this carpet. The carpet remembers all that the people already do not. It has absorbed the mysteries of the eternity, the history of many generations of a family. It has been defending the house from disasters and evil eyes. A person entering with bad intentions, stepping onto the carpet, is cleared of them. That is why a carpet was laid at the threshold. The carpet survives those who made it, and in the moment of parting, the body is placed on the carpet and thus brought to the very grave. The carpet has been with people in joy and sorrow. Its patterns, as old as the hills, could tell a lot. Their colors and elements are full of deep meaning. Having studied them, one can read the history of the nation, find out why still living on the land of the ancient civilizations of Parthia and Merv, the Turkmens have not mixed and dissolved genetically in other nations. Gyols, carpet patterns, have been the object of study for many generations. In those patterns, the schemes, notions of the universe structure are ciphered. They reflect the thoughts of the beginnings of life on the earth. Traditions related to the carpets are still alive. No celebration can go without a carpet, the symbol of well-being and happiness. A bride, according to an ancient custom, leaves her parents' house sitting on a carpet. Stepping onto it, she symbolically enters into life. A newborn is brought into the house and laid on the carpet at once, so that it could, with its mother's milk, take in the beauty of the carpet and communicate with the ancestors. The red color of the carpet drives evil forces away from the baby. It symbolizes the fire, the good forces of a home heart. A day should come when a monument to the Secred Carpets will be erected in one of the most difficult corners of Ashgabat, the city of love. And everyone will come to pay his respects to the image of a wonderful creation of the Turkmen woman. A nation which doesn't remember its past has no future. Pay its due to the most ancient art, carpet making. A unique museum of the Turkmen carpet was opened in Ashgabat. Its exposition is called a part of the world civilization and the eighth marvel of the world. The biggest carpet in the world, named Turkmen Kalbi, Soul of the Turkmen, is also much admired. It had been made from the summer of 1941 till the spring of 1942, in the hardest 4 years, by 36 masters. Its total square is 195.5 square meters. Its weight is 265 kilograms. Unfortunately, many of the masters are no longer with us, but their names live in our memories. For the 5th anniversary of the neutral Turkmenistan's independence, 38 masters of Balkan region made a still bigger carpet. Look at these faces, remember them. Future generations will still admire the beauty of the carpet made by them. But alas, we will never know who were the first authors of the magic art of carpet making. The first president of our country, the Murat Turkmenbashi, declared the last Sunday of May the National Carpet Day. It is not accidental that the basic carpet patterns, gyols, are made elements of the Turkmen national flag. the nation's soul and destiny, unity and solidarity are reflected in these 5 patterns. To follow the traditions of generosity, the President of Turkmenistan, Saparmurat Niyazov, giving his speech on the 50th anniversary session of the UN General Assembly, presented that authoritative international organization with a carpet specially made for that occasion. Lay your carpet, and I will read in your heart, the Turkmen say. Laying carpets for its guests, the Turkmen people opened its soul with hospitality. For the Turkmen nation still keep their secret. These ornaments are one of the greatest art mysteries, exciting minds by their being unsolved. Maybe our ancestors, the first carpet makers, ciphered the all-seeing eyes of the universe in them, and through these girl eyes they watch. The Turkmen nation has a long history, an interesting and glorious destiny that has given our people not only a rich heritage, but also a rather hard life. Looking into the historical past, studying it, we leave our progeny the sacred precept to save the historical memory of our nation and to continue to disclose endless mysteries, especially those of the state symbols. Scientists. Holy ornaments. Late in the second millennium BC, in the period of prosperity for the great civilizations of the East, an original culture was born in the territory of the modern Turkmenistan. In the beginning of the Bronze Age, the life became harder here. Drought, hunger, diseases did not avoid this region. The people struggled against them. The people prayed to the gods, and also to the endless sky, the sun, the moon, the stars, thinking that the forces of nature could help them. Appeals to these forces, were reflected in carpet making. The picture of the sky was transferred to carpets. That is how the first carpet patterns were born, becoming a special symbol of the connection between the man and the nature. Our land suffered innumerable horrible disasters, including invasions of different conquerors. Invasion of Alexander the Macedonian in the 4th century BC, over Arabian troops in 7th century AD, and the huge troops of Genghis Khan turned Turkmenistan into ruins. But they could not kill the art of carpet making. The 20th century also brought severe trials, such as military intervention and civil war. In that period, Turkmen carpets were sold extremely cheap abroad, where, named the foreign carpets, were resold at very high prices. In 1925, after Turkmenistan became the member of the USSR, they could for the first time be represented in the world exhibitions under their own name. In 1937, at the World Exhibition in Paris, Turkmen carpets were awarded the Golden Medal. The original patterns impressed the exhibition organizers greatly. At the Worldwide Exhibition in New York, Turkmen carpets won golden medals as well. The fame of Turkmen carpet making was spreading around the world. The secrets of carpet making will pass down from mother to daughter. Unfortunately, the names of the first carpet makers remain unknown. In 1991, Turkmenistan became an independent state. The first president of Turkmenistan, Saparmurat Atayev, has always been encouraging the carpet art. The new carpets spread throughout the whole world. The biggest and most beautiful carpets are woven in Turkmenistan. According to our ancestors' traditions, we raise the carpets before every respected guest, and give carpets as presents. That is a symbol of highest respect and esteem to Turkmen guests. That is the reason of the long history of the Turkmen carpets and their ornaments. When people hear the strokes of carpet making to their art, their mood becomes higher and hearts beat faster. We understand that this is a God's gift to the people living on our earth. We know that there are many secrets in the art of carpet making which we still cannot solve. And even if we will not be able to disclose all the secrets of our ancestors' legacy, they will be always in our blood, breath, and mind. That is why we unbreakably tied with the carpets and carpet patterns.